much talking these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do. And all the time I had the chance to. Now I've stopped my rambling.
Welcome back. Today we're just doing a nice little get ready with me. I thought it would be nice to kind of catch up with you face to face almost. So I'm just getting ready. I'm just doing kind of my everyday makeup routine, do a really nice casual video, have a chat with you, answer some upcoming questions and just show you a couple of things. Hope you're cozy. Wherever you're watching this, let me know down in the comments. Are you in bed? Are you at work? Are you at school? What are you doing? Let me know. So I'm getting ready. I'm using some new products I have been kindly sent by Glossybox, who have also very kindly sponsored this video, which is so exciting. So thank you very much, Glossybox. It means the world. So they recently sent me their April box, which is their fruity box. How exciting is this? So you get the fruity or the flower box. I got sent the fruity box and I flipping love the packaging, first of all. I also just want to say a little shout out to the fact that they sent everything in recyclable packaging. Got quite a few things in the box this month. The fruity one seemed quite hair related, which is good because I've got a lot of hair to take care of. First of all, we got a gorgeous looking hair mask. This is made with chia seed and argan oil. It feels really nice, feels like quite creamy inside. I'm not going to open it. I might open it later, and if you want to see what it looks like, just head on over and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will probably use it on the day that I upload this video, which should be a Thursday. So head on over to my Instagram if you want to see what this does for your hair and how it looks when it's on and what it feels like after I've washed it. Before I started putting on my foundation, I used, as always, my absolute fave products, which are my Origins Ginseng Duo, and then I put on some primer, which is, where is it? Which is here, which came in my fruity box with Glossybox, which is from the brand Figs and Rogue. Figs and Rogue, I don't think I've ever heard of them before, but it was actually quite nice. It kind of mattifies your skin, it makes your pores disappear. It's kind of light feeling, which is nice. I hate primer that kind of crumbles on your face. It didn't do that. It was really easy to put on. So I used some of that. Something else I got in the box and I'm super duper interested in is some hair vitamins. Now you see these kind of chewy vitamins all over Instagram. I really disagree with the diet ones, but there's some hair ones and I really want to try them because I've got a lot of hair that is extremely thick and I want it to stay as healthy as possible. I've now gone into the point of my life where I just don't want to straighten my hair anymore. I used to try and get rid of all my curls, and that's really bad to do for your hair, especially over time. Wow, I mean, they smell nice. So I'm going to try out these vitamins and just see what they do. Okay guys, it's not going to focus, but it has a little smiley face. Don't know about first thing in the morning. Quite chewy. Got a sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals, which is really nice. I might use that tonight before I get into bed. See how my skin feels in the morning. I have been like trying to look after my skin a bit more. Every now and then I get little breakups like here and here. That is mainly hormone related because that's what we get when we're girls. I also have some shower gel. This is apple and melon shower gel. That looks nice. I'm gonna smell it. It smells lovely. Can I just say, I used to be quite cynical about beauty boxes. The only beauty box I have got on with is Glossybox, and I think because you do get really good products and a lot of them are full size. I used to be subscribed to a different beauty box and I can't remember which one it was, and I just didn't know like how worth the money is. But with Glossybox, pretty much everything you get is full size, which I think is really, really good considering that some of the products are very high end. I mean, I have no obligation to talk about this, but they also sent me an Easter egg, which is the cutest thing. It had so many products in, which I'm so impressed with. We have living proof hairstyling stuff, I think. We have, where is it, my favourite thing, which is the Benefit Bad Girl mascara, which I'm going to use today. I'm going to put that on today and let you guys know how it is. We have some Sync eyelashes. I don't really tend to wear fake eyelashes. I don't know why. Maybe I'll try those out because they look really feathery and look really nice. So if I do like, if I go out, which is rare, I might use that. We have some hairspray, which is for shine. I might use that now actually. Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate. Wow. In my previous Glossybox that I got, this was actually a couple of months ago, they sent me really nice stuff and I've always been so desperate to try this. I have already tried it before, quite briefly, but I really want to use it today just to increase that glow because my eyes are suffering today. As you can see, I'm pretty tired. It is a Monday morning when I'm filming this, so nice, I like it. Anyway, I just want to shout Glossybox out. I have left a link below where you can get a discount on your boxes. They retail, it will work out less than £10 for a box, just like I've got, with products worth about £60. So if you do want to treat yourself 1 month and just get a box, then go for it. You don't have to sign up for like a contract thing. You can just literally just get a box for £8. It's the same as buying 2 magazines. And you get all these free products, so I definitely recommend you do. I will leave my link below with my discount. Go ahead and use it, guys. If you do, it helps me out, but it also mainly helps you guys out, and I wouldn't actually do this or recommend them if I didn't think you guys would love it. Like, you really will. A question I wanted to answer is, how do you overcome anxiety? So obviously I have spoken before on my YouTube channel about suffering with anxiety and how it's kind of sometimes really taken over my life and taken over my day-to-day life especially, and how I've kind of controlled that. Now definitely I'm not an expert and I still have my down days. I'm not an expert, but I do have like some really good tips, and one of those is definitely take time for yourself. I'm an introvert and I've always been open about that. I'm someone who likes to draw energies from inside myself rather than everybody around me. So there are some days where I just don't want to be around anyone. Like, I'm happy to be at home on my own with my cats, reading a book, running a beautiful hot bath, just things like that, and taking the energy for myself and not being ashamed to do that. I need to actually get ready while we talk. I had this like pressure that if I take time for myself, am I a loner? Do I like, you know, am I letting my friends down if I just don't go to an event or some kind of party with them? And I would, by the way, this mascara feels really nice to put on, and that would always give me anxiety, the fact that I wanted to be by myself sometimes. And then I just got to a point where I thought, no, like, I am a better person for everyone else if I have time to draw happy energy, get myself grounded again, feel like I'm not kind of doing everything to please everybody else, and just being by myself with no expectations and no outside pressure. So if you are the same and you find lots of social situations overwhelming, or they kind of drain your energies. That's completely and utterly normal. It is so normal to get drained from social situations. I can do social situations, I can be happy, I can spend time with large groups of people at the same time, but then after that I will need a bit of downtime, bit of me time, and that's completely normal. You're not weird, you're not odd, you're not a loner. So yeah, that's one way, definitely. Another way is definitely to take care of your mind. So I have particular things where I take care of my mind, and one of them is obviously spending time by myself, but other things are reading. I love to read, I love to get lost in a book. It kind of like takes your mind off of your unnecessary worries, and once you've taken your mind off of the unnecessary worries, you feel a lot more normal about them. They're not like completely overtaking you. Another thing is definitely to walk. So this is crazy, but at the start of Lent, which is obviously the 40-day thing where you either give up something or you do something for 40 days, my boyfriend and I decided for 40 days, every single day, regardless, we are going to walk 10,000 steps every single day. There is no excuses, we just have to do it. And it's surprisingly a lot more steps than I used to do. I love going on walks, but it would be when I had time. So like a Saturday or Sunday morning, I would start the day off with a long walk. But during the week, I'll kind of just be rushing around working, filming and planning and spending a lot of time sat down at my computer. Whereas now, I don't procrastinate as much because I know, sorry, where's the mascara gone? There it is. Because I know I have to get work as well as do my 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps is similar to walking like 5 miles, I think we've worked out. So it is definitely a walk. You have to fit in a walk every day. But that has turned from a fun little competition between me and my boyfriend to almost saving my mind. Feel good at one point every single day. I've never, since doing it, had a whole day feeling a bit blah. Every single day I feel good about something. So if I'm having a really down day and we do our 10,000 steps, I have felt good because I've achieved something, as well as release like all the endorphins in my body, which has made me feel happier. Does that make sense? So definitely getting out and walking, exercising, raising, you know, your blood pressure. Is it raising your blood pressure? Just raising those endorphins and doing something purely for you. And honestly, healthy body, healthy mind, that really does work. I must say, like, I did actually receive a text from my boyfriend's dad today who said healthy body, healthy mind. And I can relate. It's very, very true. And also, following on from that, clean home, clean mind. So I like cleaning my home. As you can see, I'm quite a homey person. I like going around, I do my speed cleans. But when I have kind of an organised home, I feel good about sitting down at the end of the day and just, you know, putting something on TV, getting my book, lighting the candles, putting the fairy lights on. Everything just looks and feels better, and my mind feels cleaner and fresher and calmer. So I will make a point of every day, just in the areas that I'm sitting around, just to make sure there's no clutter, no just unnecessary mugs lying around or wires hanging out everywhere. I like to just kind of clear everything, make everything smell nice, get rid of the dust. So that really has helped. So it's like a combination of things, but honestly it boils down to like doing it, like doing those things, and you'll notice your mind feels better. Guys, can you believe I'm filming this video with no cup of tea? Can I just say, the Ombre Shade and Shimmer Stick. I bought this last year. It is still in date, don't worry, but it's back in my life and I flipping love it. It's so good. I tend to put it on if I don't have any makeup on that day. You just kind of smear it here, rub it in, and it's so easy to wear. Easy, easy, easy. I like things that are easy because I am not good at makeup. I'm also going to try this Bare Minerals lipstick that came in one of my glossy boxes. This is, I don't know what colour it is, it probably says in the leaflet, but I can't find that. But it's like a dusky pinky purple colour and it's flipping cute. I'm going to try it out. If it's too dark, I'm not going to wear it because I'm not about that dark lip when it's April. like that. I'm going to also put a bit of this Crabtree and Evelyn London hand cream on. Smells like actual roses. OMG. This, is it hand cream? Because it feels like it's exfoliating. Yeah, it is hand cream. Rose water and pink peppercorn. This also came in a Glossybox box. Okay, that is definitely to wash your hands with, not to just, it's not moisturizer. Anyway, it smells nice, and wow, actually it's really soft. Make sure you are asking me questions in the comments because I get back to everyone. I am very much in love with you guys and I love to get back to you all and just have a chat with you and get to know you, and you guys get to know me a bit more. So I hope you enjoyed anyway. Just remember, if you're not already subscribed, to subscribe down below because it really does help me out. It helps me achieve my dreams and I have you guys to thank for that. So thank you very much for watching as always. I love you very, very much. If you want to check out the Glossybox, I have left the link down below. Make sure you do and let me know if you do. Tag me on Instagram. So yeah, have a fabulous day. Have a lovely weekend and I will see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!